Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivang Tomar and today we are going to solve this problem. This is today's Leetcode challenge. Reduce array size to the half. So in this problem, we are given an integer array ARR. You can choose a set of integers and remove all the occurrences of these integers in the array. Return the minimum size of the set so that at least half of the integer of the array are removed. So in this problem, what is given? We are given an array ARR and we have to return the minimum size of the set so that if we remove these particularly numbers, then half of the integers of the array are removed. For example, in this example, we see that ARR equals to 33355522227. So basically in this we have removed 3 and 5. If we remove 3 and 5, what will we see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 elements are removed from the array and the total size of this array is 10. So if we divide it by 10 by 2, what will we see? We will see 5. So the half of the this array is 5 and we have removed 7 elements. So what we can see? We can see that half of the integers of the array are removed. Similarly, if we remove 7 only, then we can say that this would become empty. So in this also more than half integers are removed. So basically what we are given that uh, this is the array and the size of this array is 10. So the size is 10. If we do half of it, we will get 5. Then if we remove 3 and 5 basically, then if we have removed 3, then what will we see? The 4 integers are removed. So what will be the size? The remaining size would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remaining size will be 5 5 5 2 2 7. So these will be the remaining element. But what we see that the, the size of this remaining integer is 6 and the half is 5. So it is again it is greater, the size of this remaining integer array is greater. Remaining in this is the in that I am making, this is the remaining in array. So now what will we do? We will remove the 5. So after removing 5, what would left? 2 2 7. So now the remaining size of this array is 3 and it is lower than half, means half is greater. So what will we see? We have, what will we remove? So we have removed 3 and 5. So the size, how many number we have removed? 2 3 and 5. So we have to remove, we have to tell that how many numbers we have removed basically. Particularly, for example, we have removed 3 and 5, so the output will be 2. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to remove the array elements in such a way that the half of the more than half of the array is removed. So if we talk about the solution, then what will we see? We can use hash map. So in this hash map, what we are going to do? Firstly, we will store all the frequencies. So in this array, what do you mean by frequencies? For example, we will store that this 4 is this 4 has appeared, this 3 has appeared 4 times, 5 has appeared 3 times, 2 has appeared 2 times, and 7 has appeared 1 time. So what will we do? We will make a hash map and we will store this frequency along with this element. So what will we do? We are storing the element as well as frequency, and then now we will decrease it into the decreasing order. For example, the three the three element with 4 frequency would be in the top, 5 element with 3 frequency would be in at the second place, and simultaneously this this arrangement will be going so on. So what is the benefit of this doing? Firstly, we will remove 3, the maximum, the element with maximum frequency. Then after that, we will remove the second one with second highest frequency. And what will we see? The max. What will we see? The our favorable output would come. Means we have removed the minimum number of element. And what we will see? We see that the half of the more than half of the element is emptied. Just like in this, we have removed 3 and 5, and 7 elements are removed and 3 elements are left. So it is greater than, so 5 is greater than 3. So we will sort it in decreasing order and find if the value removed is greater than half or not. And we will return the size of the set. So let's code without wasting any time. So we are going to use counter. If anyone who is a Python coder would definitely know about the counter. So basically what did counter do? So I will show that. So if we try to take a standard output, what you will see that it is returning 3, means this 3 element, this 3 with its frequency in a tuple form, 3 4. 5 has appeared 3 times, so 5 3. 2 has appeared 2 times, 2 2. 7 has appeared 1 time, so 7 1. So basically we are going to iterate itself in this tuple. So what we are going to do, we will make a remove we remove and ans that we are going to return, which will be the output, half, and I. Basically I is for iteration because we are going to use while loop. So half is length of arr double slash by 2, and it's 0, I is 0. So what we are going to do, if remove, so basically remove is the count of the frequencies that we are removing. For example, if we are removing 3, then the frequency of this would be counted. For example, we have removed 3, the 4 will be added, then 3 will be added, 3 plus 4 7. Then we will compare it with the half. So what we are doing, if remove is lesser than half until this while loop will run. Now what we are going to do, we are going to append the ans, means we are going to remove these elements and remove, and we are going to append this frequency value. So I and 1, means this ith one, this one 4. And we have also append, we are going to increase our I because we are iterating, we are using I as an iteration. So we are going to return our ans. Now let's see if it runs. So basically it is running, and it is quite optimized also because we are using hash map. So what we have done, we have basically stored these frequencies, and added this frequency and find out if these frequencies sum are greater than half of this total size, and then we have simply returned the ans, this one, that the number of element that we are removing. So thank you. If you like my content, then please like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, or any you have to ask any question, then please comment below. Thank you.